Hey people, this is a Broken Puppet, and I've got an offer for you guys today. I'm doing a tattoo raffle. This tattoo raffle is giving away a £3,000 sleeve. Now, that could be an arm, that can be a leg, it can be whichever one you want. To enter, all you guys got to do is buy a ticket. Now, each ticket is just £30. So that's £30 for a £3,000 sleeve. Like I said, that could be arm or leg. And if you don't win, you can still claim back £15 of that on your next tattoo. So literally, you're going to win a £3,000 tattoo for basically £15. Now, I'm based in the UK, so remember that. So if you've got a friend abroad, I don't pay for flights, but this is £3,000 worth up for grabs. If you're interested, just check out the description below for all the details. So yeah, I'll be announcing the winner on the 30th of May. I'll be doing a live draw, so keep your eyes out for that. And if this is a big success, I might even do another one. So yeah, get entering, people. I'm the Broken Puppet, and I'll see you soon. Peace.